Hi, thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with some vehicle warning lights on a brand new Chevy Silverado. This is a flatbed Silverado that we went ahead and put LED safety lights all over it. He's in the construction industry. So what we have here on the grille is our LIN 6 in amber and white. We also have our Wicked Warnings mirror mod kit, which is going a little too fast for the camera to pick up right now. It is doing a triple flash on each side. We also installed the atomic LED cab clearance lights on the roof, amber lens with amber warning. Here's a little side shot. You can see around the back of the truck we have our Wicked Warnings TIR3 as well on the side of the body. And the rear of this truck is really something special. We've got our ThinX 12-inch strip featured in the rear, as well as some LED hideaway duos, but we did something really clever with the flood mode on this particular build. Let me show you one more angle and then I'll spin it around. I think this is my favorite angle to shoot the vehicles at, kind of the squirrel perspective. Again, that's our LIN 6 in amber white on the top of the grille there, as well as our Wicked Warnings mirror mod and the atomic LED cab clearance lights. Check the video description for links to all these products. Let me turn it around, show you the rear. Alrighty, we've got her spun around, and around the back you can see our 12-inch ThinX in amber and white set on a fast flash alternating pattern there. We've also got our LED HAW Duo in white set up in the cargo light as well. And on the sides of the bed you'll see right there a pair of our TIR3s in amber facing the sides of the truck. Here you can see those TIR3s that we mounted right on the side of the body. Just give them a little bit of side warning in addition to the mirror mod that's facing forward. Let me show you my favorite part about this build. So here in the back we've set up quite a few lights with flood mode. As you can see, we've got our LED duos. We've also got the 4 6x2 grommet mount lights that came on his flatbed, as well as our ThinX strips. I just had darked the shop up there for a little bit of effect. Let me lighten it up and show you a little bit better what we did here. But before I do that, I'm going to spin around and show you what this does in a dark shop. So as you can see here, we're in the dark shop, and when we hit the flood mode, we've got plenty of light. So this guy should have a very easy time loading trailers, backing up, or for that random tailgater that needs an attention-grabbing blast of white light, this might be useful. So as we showed you earlier, now we've got the lights back on the shop, and here on the back of the truck we've got our ThinX mounted down low. We did that down low, customer request, to prevent any damage from pallets or the random worker who might not be that attentive loading, smashing the light. So we kept it down low and protected. And when you activate your flood mode, you get everything. This is also tied into the reverse. So when he puts the truck in reverse, this will flood all of these lights in reverse as well. So we wanted to give him as much usefulness as we can with these vehicle strobe lights. And definitely, again, Wicked Warnings, we're your #1 stop for strobe lights for trucks. Make sure to check the vehicle description for links to the products that can be purchased. Some of the custom items, such as the 6x2 oval lights, they came on the flatbed body. We don't sell those, but you can definitely buy all of the bolt-on emergency stuff that's on this truck. The Atomics and the TIR3s, the ThinXs, the LED HAW Duos, and our popular LIN-6 on the front of it. Thanks again for watching. This is Wicked Warnings. We do appreciate and love our customers like this one, who came from approximately 9 to 10 hours away just to see us so we could outfit his truck. Thanks again for watching. Have a safe day, and don't forget to check the video description for links to all these products.